Here it is, fresh off the DHL truck, about 4 days early. The Supernote A6X. Here's the packaging it comes in. Get a little tear off here. So we've got the box and some styrofoam. It says accessories for spare use, so this might be a spare cap. All right, and this is shrink wrap, so we're just gonna open that one up. Looks like it's got little magnetic poles here. And there we go. Little styrofoam for the top. Pen in the right side. I just got the standard pen. And actually, for picking it up the first time, it does definitely feel like it's got some pretty good weight in the back here. It feels pretty well weighted in my hands. It's definitely heavier than I thought it was going to be. And this is the gray version. And we've got the book cover that I bought. This is just the plain gray one. And here it is, the actual Supernote. There is a little bit of film on this, and there's a note saying, "Don't tear the protective film on the screen." Then you've got USB-C charging cable and your little manual. And that's the case. Definitely feels a little bit like a Kindle. I definitely like this like two-toned, you can tell this is white and this is gray. I definitely like that. And then you've got the little Supernote logo. So you got your power button on top there, it's kind of hard to see. And then you got your charger on the bottom. Also, they designed this little slot right here for the case to slide into. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the power. You can see a little red light right there. It's probably hard to see. Seems like it's powering on just kind of slowly. All right, and this is the first setup. So we've got English, we're gonna hit confirm. So we can scan for our Wi-Fi network at this time, which I'm going to do. I'm gonna put in my password. See if we can connect. There we go, so we're connected to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna hit next. The next thing is to set up the date and time. We can go with a 24-hour format. By default, that's on. The network can provide the time, meaning that we've connected to the Wi-Fi, so it connected to the internet, so it knows the date and time. And as you can see, that is the date and time. It's currently November 29th, 2021 at 5:25 p.m. So we'll hit next. Okay, so now we've got account registration. So we can put in a phone number or an email address. I'll go ahead and put in my phone number. All right, so the first thing it's gonna give you is a little bit of an overview, and that is the search for the main menu function, which is this bar right here, and it's showing you that. So if you kind of just click, and not even click, just put your finger on and slide down. Now you've got everything unlocked. And this is basically your menu down here. I thought if you swiped up from the bottom, it would refresh the screen, but as you can see, I've got a little bit of ghosting with this one. You can almost, it's really hard to tell, but right here you can actually see the layout of the keyboard. So I was swiping on the wrong part. I thought you had to swipe up from the bottom of the screen, but to refresh, you actually just have to do this. Once I did that, it solved the problem. So I'm gonna go back into this note and we'll write some stuff. And as you can see, my handwriting is terrible, but I'm super impressed with how this feels when you write. I've never written on one of these before. I've never used anything like this. Closest thing I've used to this is a iPad, and this just feels so much different, especially with this pen.
It's been about a month of daily driving since I unboxed the Supernote, and I still really enjoy it. I will be making another video soon about my thoughts on this product, so if you're into that type of thing, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.